How to generate an interactive or a full bug report on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Then, from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and then tap on Developer Options. From here, tap on Report. Next, to generate the report, you can select Interactive Report or a full report. Then tap on the Report button to start generating the report. Now swipe down at the top to open up your status panel. In here, you can see it will show a report is being generated. So you can tap on it to share your bug report. And that's it. Finally, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.